Hello children, how are you all? Hope all are fine. Yes, today is the New Year. New Year's second day. Correct? No? It's a 21. What I written is wrong here. It's a 21 for us. Correct? No? 2021. The New Year is 2021. We already celebrated our New Year and prayed to God also. Correct? No? Yes. Tell me children, what you did? What you took the resolution for the new year? ಏನಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ ಹೊಸ ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಹೀಗಿರಬೇಕು ಹಾಗಿರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಗೋಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ Yes, what is that resolution? Okay, ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಮೈ ರೆಸಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ಇಟ್ ಗುಡ್ ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅನದರ್ ಒನ್ ರೆಸಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಐ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಎ ಹೆಲ್ದಿ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಆ ಥರ ಗುಡ್ ರೆಸಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಟೇಕ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ರೆಸಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಎ ಗುಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಗ್ರೋ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ ಹೈಟ್ you should grow little bit what educated you take a general oath like I should not tell lie this year I should not hurt my mother I should not hurt my parents like that some good oath you take children okay you all do know yes yes Before starting our class, as usual, we will learn one rhymes. As usual, we were learning one rhymes now. Today also, we are going to learn one rhymes. Can anyone tell me the rhyme? I'll tell only the small rhyme children, which is that head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, eyes and ears, mouth and nose, okay? Again we tell, yes, head and shoulders, knees and toes, eyes and ears, mouth and nose. Right, children? This is the rhyme related to your body parts. Okay? We have less time. Shall we start our revision today? Today I am going to revise our maths. Okay, what and all we learned in the maths, today I am going to revise you. First one we learned, what we learned? The first one, numbers. From which to which we numbers we learned? Yes, from 0 to 80. We learned the numbers, right? Yes. I'll start writing here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Correct now? I have written the numbers from 1 to 80. Already you all learned that one. Correct? As I told you, I was doing some flashcards. Like this you can do, or you can do the flashcards with using the dots. Okay? These are all called the flashcards. Okay, 1 to 80 you can make the flashcards. See, this is a flashcard using the different pictures. 11 books. Okay, I think 12 flowers. Okay, 13 pencils, 14 butterflies, 15 orange, 16 carrot, 17 stars, 18 heartbeats, 19 balloons and 20 balls. Like this you can make a flashcard. Or else if you don't want to make the the objects or the things, you can make it using the dots. See, I have done here 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. I have stick the 35 dots here, children. Okay, 36, 37, so on till 40. I have done the dotted cards. This also you can do. This is a flash card. Okay? Yes? Yes, like that. The last card I am showing you. You can do your own. You can do your own what creativity. Either you can use the drawings. You can make it a dot. Like this, you can make some flashcards till 80, and you can enjoy by reading with the same thing. Okay? Yes. Okay. Now we are learn the numbers from 1 to 80. The next thing, what we learn? Second one, we learned number names till 70. Correct alla? Second one, we learned the number names till 70. 70 varginu number names na kaltidvalla makla? Yes. Randomly I will take so many flashcards I have. Randomly I will take the numbers. You have to tell me the number names. Okay? This is, yes, 41. Okay? I write the number names here. I think you all know the number names, children. Just for your revision purpose, I am doing the same thing. Okay? You all know, no, children? You all know the number names clearly. Just for the revision purpose, I am doing the same thing. It will help you in the summarizing for your assessment. This is which number? 41. What is the spelling of the 40? Yeah? Yes? F4 R E Y. 41. Okay? Again, I'll pick one flashcard. Okay? This is which number? It's a 5. F I can already learn the number names till 70. You go through that and you can learn the number names easily. Okay. Till now what we learned? Numbers and also the number names. The third concept is spot the differences. What is that? Spot the differences. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ನೋಡಿ, ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿ. Okay, I draw one small flower here. Okay. Okay, this is one small flower. Here also I am drawing some flower. Yes, tell me, is both the flower are same or not? Both the flower are same or not? No. Some differences are there, no children? Yes, what is that? What is that? Yes, here 2 petals are there, here 4 petals are there. Correct, no? That is the difference. We need to complete the 2 petals. Correct alla? Avaga both the flowers are correct. Here we miss these 2. Alla? Next one. Here how many leaves are there? 2 leaves. Is any missing there? The difference is there, no? Yes. 1 leaf is missing. Okay, this was missing there. Correct. Next is pot. In the pot, the below line and the mud is missing. This was missing in that. This is the spot the differences. They will give 2 pictures to you. You need to spot the difference and mark it out. Okay, that you already done, no children? Just you go through that. Okay. Now we will move to next one. That is before and after number. Okay, what is said before, after and between numbers? Yes, I'll show you with flashcards only. Okay. Okay, I have selected the numbers from 31 to 40. Idರಲ್ಲಿ the number select ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. 31 to 40 I taken. Randomly I will take 3 cards. Okay, I take the 3 cards here. 1, 2, 3. Can you see the 3 cards here, children? Yes, this is 35, 34 and 33. Okay, I have to keep like this. Okay, this is for you. Can you see the cards? Yes, this is 33, 34 and 35. Can you see the card? Yes. Can you tell me which is before, after to the 34 number? This I'll write on the board. 33, 34 and 35. Okay. Now tell me which is after number for 34? Which is the after number for 34? After 34, which number can you see? It's a 35. 35 is after 34. Okay, 35 is after 34. Correct? Then, can you see which number is before 34? 34 ಗಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ನಾವು? Yes, that is 33. 33 is before 34. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? 33 is before 34. 35 is after 34. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳ, ನಾವೀಗ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ 34 ಇಂದ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಯಾವುದು? 35 ನಂಬರ್. 33 ನಂಬರು 34 ಮುಂಚೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ 34, 35 comes after 34 and 33 is before 34. Then what is 34? 34, where you can see the 34? In between 33 and 35. Very good. 34 is between 33 and 35. Okay? Did you understood? Yes. Till now, I think already we have revised so many times this before, after and between number. You have been thorough with this. Correct, no children? Yes. Only I am revising this thing. Again, I am telling you with a clear picture. I have taken three numbers here: 34, 35, 35. The 34 and 35. Here, the after number will comes previous, which will take as a example of the previous number. ನಾವು ಹಿಂದಿನ ನಂಬರ್ನ ಯಾವ್ದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಂತೀವೋ ಅದ್ರ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅಥವಾ ಸಬ್ಸಿಕ್ವೆಂಟ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಆ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ನ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ 35 ಈಸ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ 34. ಓಕೆ, 33 ಈಸ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ 34. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ದ ನಂಬರ್ which we take it as an example. Before writing that number, what we write, the number that is called a before number. Okay, then the number which comes in between the two numbers is called a between number. Okay, with so many examples you can also try at home. Already I told you, you make some flashcards like this, keep it as a fun activity. Then you only randomly you can take three numbers with the same number sequence, like 21 to 30 or 31 to 40, like that. You take a bunch of numbers from that and you start learning this before, after and between number. Okay, this is the revision of before, after and between number. Now I will go to next one, revision, that is using the numbers. One to 5. Okay, describe the subject or sequence using the numbers 1 to 5. For example, if I take a classroom as an example, here I will write one teacher, okay, two pens, three crayons, four girls, 5 boys. Okay, one teacher, two pens, three crayons, four girls, 5 boys. These all included in the classroom. You can take so many things like one board, two chalk pieces, 3, what else? 3 dusters, 4 students and 5 clays. Something you can write. Okay, this is the description of the object or description of the sequence using the 5 digits. Only the 5 numbers. This is called a using number 1 to 5. You have to describe the situation. Okay? Yes. Now we will go to next thing, that is shapes. Shapes around us. Already we learned, no, so many shapes are there. What are those? Yes, tell me. Square, oval, circle, triangle, rectangle. The basic shapes are square, oval, circle, triangle and rectangle. Yes, no? Square, it is like this. Okay, all the sides are same. Oval, two sides will be bulged. Bulged andre ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊಳಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. Circle, it's a long curve. Correct, no? Triangle, only 3 sides. All the sides are same. Rectangle, yes, yes. 2 sides are same. I'll show you the shapes. Okay. See, the first one is square. We learned so many shapes. For your reference, I have taken only 5. This is a square. There are 4 corners, 4 angles and all the 4 sides are same. This is a square. Next is oval. Okay, oval, we don't have the card here, but it's like a bulged shape. The example is egg. You can see the egg in a oval shape. Next is a circle. Circle, can you see the circle? It's a long curve which starts with one end and ends with the other end. There is no sides. All the sides are equal in the circle shape. Next is triangle. Triangle. Okay, one second. Triangle. See, it's a all the sides, only 3 sides are there. All the 3 sides are same. Okay. Yes. All the 3 sides are same. If you turn any side, the triangle will look same. Okay. Next is rectangle. In the rectangle, the 2 sides, 2 sleeping lines and 2 standing lines are same. It's look like a square, but it is not a square. This is also having a 4 angles, 4 edges and 4 corners, but only the opposite side will be the same, children. This is what we learned regarding the shapes. Now we will move on to second one, that is colors. Okay, I'll have this. Colors. How many colors are there? Yes, so many colors are there. Basic is red, blue and yellow. Red, blue and yellow are some basic colors. White and the black. These two are neutral color, or what we will tell? It's a neutral color, because if you mix any color with the black will be the dominant. Okay, if you mix any color with the white, the color will be the same. If you mix the red with the white, The color will be red only, but very light red will come, or the medium red it will come, but it will not change to blue. Okay, it will not change the color of the or the content of the color. Only the brightness will reduce or increase. It's a white and black or a neutral colors. With that, the fancy colors like pink, green, violet, purple, brown, so many orange, so many colors are there, children. Simply I am showing you few colors flashcards to you. See, brown. Chocolates are brown. Have you seen the chocolate? Yes, it's a browny color. Next is black. Black shoes. Usually the uniform school shoes, if you mix any color with the black, you will not get a different color. The black will be dominated. Okay. Next is orange. Why the orange is the orange color? Because the orange fruit is a same color. So they have kept the same name to the that color only. Orange. Okay. Next is pink. It's a fancy color. So many categories are there in the pink. Light pink, dark pink, like that. The pink is a fancy color. Next is green. The leaves and the parrot, all these are a green color. Red. The rose is red. Then what else? Where you can see the red, children? Yes, sometimes our sun will be the mixture of red and orange. Correct. Next is yellow. Yellow. The cheese is yellow. Okay. The last one is blue. Okay. The skies and the water is in blue color. Okay. This is little bit about our colors, children. Did you understood? Yes. Now we will move to the next one. Sizes and shapes. Okay, sizes and shapes, and also sizes and shapes. Okay. Sizes and shapes andre enu makla? Yes. See, if I write a square, okay. Like this, can you see the sizes and the shapes? Yes, both are balls, but this is a big ball, this is a small ball. Both are squares, but this is a big square, this is a small square. This is called the sizes. It will specify the sizes also, it will specify the shape also. Like that, if you go to a square, you can take a wall clock and also the plate. The plate is also square, the wall clock also square, but we have to see which is bigger than that one. Okay, this is called the sizes and shape. Okay, next we big and small. It is related to that one only, big and small. That day I showed you some example, that is big and small. See, the elephant is very big. You can see the elephant, it's very huge and big. Can you see the hen like that? ಕೋಳಿ ಯಾವತ್ತಾದ್ರೂ ದಪ್ಪಗಿರೋ ಕೋಳಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ನೀವು? ತುಂಬಾ ದಪ್ಪ, ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಭಯ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ತರ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ರೂಸ್ಟರ್ನ? No. So this is a big and this is a small. You can find so many objects like this or things like this and you can compare yourself. Next is tall and long. two ladders here. Okay, this is tall. Both are tall only. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಇದೆ what? Horizontal. Okay, vertical. If you draw the scale here, okay, this is long. Okay, this is tall and this is long. The scale usually in the vertical, this is in the horizontal. So this is the difference between the tall and long children. Understood? Yes. Now we will move to the next one, that is more or less. Can you see the bowl here? Yes. There are two bowls with me. One is with lots of beads, with another one with a less beads. This is a more and this is a less. Okay? This is more and this is less. This is the theme of the more and less. Now we are moving to the next concept, that is subtraction using dots. I am doing the revision, so just I am brushing up of your same concepts. I am not going to the deeper ones. Already I have taught you, so just I am doing a revision for you children. Subtraction using okay, 7 minus 3. What you have to do? 7 minus 3, how you do? Okay, make a box, 7 minus 3. Make one box like this. Okay children, here you have to put a 7 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 dots you have to put. From there what you have to do? You have to less the 3 dots. How you do? Yes, you have to strike it off. 1, 2 and 3. Correct, no? 1, 2, 3. You strike it off. How many dots are there now? 2, 3, 4. Bring the 4 dots below. So 7 minus 3 is 4. The answer will be the 4. Yes? Yes. Next, fifth one is adding using fingers. Addition using fingers. Okay? What I taught you? I am going to do the simple one. 5 plus 2. As I told you, you have to open the 5 fingers with the 2. Okay? Now start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Totally you got 7. This is the addition using the fingers children. So till now I hope everything we completed. The revision thing, I'll give you small homeworks. You have to complete at home. Okay? The homework part. Everything you have to do in your square book. Okay? 1 to 80. Second one, write number names. Okay, 27, 50, 18, 15, 69, 43, 11 and 36. Okay, the next homework is write before, after and between numbers. Okay, okay. Next one is between. Okay, between is 14, 'Gaya'. You have to draw a rainbow and you have to color it. The fifth homework is subtraction using dot method. Okay, subtraction using dot method. Yes, subtraction using dot method. 3 minus 1, 8 minus 2, 4 minus 2, 9 minus 5. This is your homework. Next, okay, next one is same. Okay, sixth one homework is match. Same the match the same group. Okay, match the same group. Okay, what we have to do, I draw match it all. You can draw any picture, children, like this. I am giving some examples, okay? You need to draw like this and you have to make it match with that, okay? You have to match with that. Yes? Yes. This is the homework. Match the same group. The last homework is okay, 7th is draw a picture and spot the differences. Okay, draw a picture and spot the differences. As I told you, I showed you with the example of a flower. You can take any picture. You draw two sceneries. Okay, in one picture you draw all the pictures. In another picture you draw only small and leave some spaces in that. Okay, blanks in that, and try to complete it of spotting the difference. That is the draw a picture and spot the differences of your own. It's your own thing. Okay, children, I hope you all understood what were in the second time. I did all the revision. Yes, I know this is a bulk portion for you. Please go through that, take a time, and you can learn for your coming assessment. Do all the homework and keep it ready for your assessment. Okay, children, bye, take care.